Hello, welcome back to Flora's Way. Today we'll see Moza Mini S, how it works. First we look how it works with Samsung S10 Plus, and now we open the Moza Mini S. Okay? Let's see the joystick. If you go up, the phone go up. If you go down, the phone is going down. If you go left, the phone is going left. Right, the phone is go right. If you double press the trigger, you have the recenter. Press, we have switch camera. Switch camera is returned to your selfie camera. Up, we have playback. If you press the playback, we have your video and your photography. Here is spirit level, your flash. This is anti-shake, is for stabilization, and shooting mode. Let's see the shooting mode. We have taking pictures, your video, time-lapse photography, motion time-lapse, and slow motion. Let's see now. We have professional mode, exposure compensation, and white balance, and zoom. You can see the zoom. Here we have the resolution. Press, and we have full HD 13 FPS, 4K 13 FPS, HD 13 FPS, Full HD 120 FPS, HD 120 FPS, Full HD 214 FPS, and HD 214 FPS. This is with the Samsung S10 Plus. We have grid. If you want no one grid, for you focus your, if you need it to focus your things. We have filter. We have the original, we have the beauty filter, color invert, and ND filter. Go back. We have the focus, a Bluetooth microphone, and live stream for Facebook Live, for YouTube, and custom live stream. Let's see the Inception mode. If you press 3 times the down button, we go to Inception mode. If you turn the joystick left, it go left. If you turn the joystick right, it go right. Let's see the Inception mode.